Welcome dear traders. In this video you'll learn what is going to happen to gold, accurate entry point ideas, technical analysis and fundamental analysis. And we are starting right now. Friends, I ask you to push like and subscribe on our YouTube channel because my name is Yuri. I'm top author on TradingView. I publish so many ideas, especially about gold and Bitcoin, and you can gain a lot. Also, YouTube does not like to share such content with other people, and when you turn on notification, you will get it. Okay. About gold, at this moment, as you can see, gold were inside in this downward trend, and many people didn't expect, especially after powerful 2020 year, after powerful this trend. That's example for you, that my friends, that sometimes trends will finish, and you need to be wise and trade only when price show you beautiful pattern. About gold, I would separate analysis on gold on two parts. First part, it is fundamental data. Second part, it is technical analysis. About fundamental data, take a look. At this moment, as you can see, it is Federal Reserve System. It shows how much money they have inside in the United States economy. And as you can see, United States create, since start of this COVID pandemic, since 1 year ago, they create 15.300. As you can see, they create nearly 4 trillions of USD. And I think you understand that because of that, so soon inflation will come. That means globally, I believe that gold should rise, because when United States print money, that means that gold will rise up a lot, because even when gold and standard were broken, gold rose up a lot, because United States still print money since 1971, since gold and standard was stopped by Nixon. That's why globally, I believe that gold, if you would open, for example, like a month channel, monthly chart, you would see that globally gold rise. And as you can see, at time of some crisis, gold rise a lot. It's example for you of 1980. As you remember, it was oil crisis in the world. Here, gold standard were broken, and take a look what happened after that, how oil rose up. After that, take a look at 2019, as you can see, crisis, dot-com crisis, and take a look how after that gold rose up dramatically. As you can see, sometimes gold does not care about crisis, because as you can see, even this 2018, when all of this started, gold rose up, crisis started. I would pay biggest attention to money flow, because as you can see on a gold, we have this huge area where people accumulate their positions. And at this moment, my friends, what I would expect, I would wait for any pattern for breakout. At this moment, as you can see, we have this beautiful trend line breakout. I would wait if I would be in your position, I would wait on two scenarios, after which I believe that gold with huge possibility will rise up. But before we start, I ask you, my dear friend, push like and subscribe, because on our YouTube channel you will find so many lessons. You can open it here. You can find beautiful playlist about different strategies, how to trade them. Also, below this video in description, you will find trustful FX regulated broker where you can trade gold with lowest fees. That company regulated by United Kingdom, FCA, and I recommend you to trade there. Okay, continue. That's why at this moment I wait for any beautiful pattern, because if you would open our TradingView page, you would see that many times I show to the people beautiful breakout patterns. Example for you, I would share with you some patterns many days before, especially when before gold drop a lot. Take a look, my friend. I would like to share with you some of them. As you can see here, take a look. For example, like this one. As you can see on TradingView, many days ago, I told that gold will break down key level. Or many days before, where I told that gold will break this key level down, as you can see. At this moment, I also wait for such breakout pattern, such breakout strategy. And here on our YouTube channel, we have a full playlist about breakout strategy. I recommend you to watch all of those lessons. That's why at this moment I wait for breakout, this trend line breakout, or if price will create beautiful key level, I wait for breakout. Because remember, when gold will finish this downward channel, as you can see, downward channel, when gold will break it, it will start beautiful uprise. When that will happen, I would be happy to trade it. That's why at this moment, my friend, I recommend you to wait. If gold will break this key level after pullback, I recommend you to open buy entry and follow the trend. Another scenario, remember that it is our first scenario. Our second scenario would be this one. If gold will drop down a lot, that would be a huge signal to buy and hold it. Example for you, 2 times when that pattern worked, I call it paranormal finish pattern. And in our VIP room, members, our VIP room students have access to that patterns. Take a look. I would share with you. Paranormal finish, take a look. Example for you, like on British pound. Example for you here on British pound Canadian. As you can see, when price drop a lot, after that in many cases it start powerful trend. Example here on silver. Take a look on silver, and as you can see, silver, before silver started powerful uprise, as you can see what they did huge drop, massive drop. Here this massive drop was minus 30%. If gold will do something like this, and you would see that price stopped dropping, last candle is, as you can see here, 473% of ATR. Take a look here. Here, as you can see, percent of ATR. About what is ATR, on our YouTube channel, we have a lesson about ATR. I recommend you to watch it because you will understand bodies of volatility. And after that, as you can see, dramatically powerful uprise. The same here on Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin, before Bitcoin started uprise, as you can see, powerful down drop. And this candle, it was 863% of ATR. By the way, if you want to get this beautiful indicator of ATR for free, below this video, you'll find this link. You just need to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Telegram channel. Here there would be a link on our Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe, because if you will subscribe, you will get all of that indicators for free. And as you can see, after that, huge and massive uptrend. The same here on my friends on British pound. Where is British pound USD? Take a look. Massive drop. As you can see, last candle at 321% of ATR. Huge, it's massive. And after that, as you can see, range, and after that, skyrocket. That's why I would summarize you. I have 2 scenarios. First one, if there would be range breakout, I would trade it. But best for me would be if there would be massive drop. That would be the best. Just buy. If there would be massive drop, just buy it and hold it for many days and even weeks. Thank you, my friends, for watching it. Remember to push like, subscribe. Below this video there would be many useful links, and watch next 2 lessons. Thank you.